recording, so I'm actually going to record it. So this is the expectations for solving a equation, and the equation we're going to solve is negative 2w minus 3 equals negative 11. So when solving equations, the first step we're going to do is what? What's the first step? We're going to cancel the constant. So my first step is I am going to cancel the constant. So in this case, what's the value of the constant?
Negative.
So what's the opposite of negative 3?
Positive.
Positive 3. So I'm going to add 3 because that's the opposite. But I'm also going to use the property of equality, which tells me to add 3 to the other side. So now I will evaluate that. The negative 3 and the positive 3 are going to cancel out, leaving me with negative 2w on the left, and on the right, negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8. Now the second part of solving the equation is to cancel the coefficient. Right? So in this case, what's the value of the coefficient? Negative 2. So what's the opposite of multiplying by negative 2? Dividing by negative 2. And property of equality tells me that I also do it on the other side. So now my negative 2 and my other negative 2 cancel out, leaving me with just the variable on the left. And then on the right, I have negative 8 divided by negative 2, which is positive 4. Now to wrap it all up, the final thing I'm going to do is I am going to do a check step. And the check step is to confirm that I have done it correctly. Right? So the check step is just starting with the equation and then substituting in the value of the variable into that equation. So negative 2 times 4 minus 3 equals negative 11. Remember, what I'm really doing is I kind of have like two math problems. One of them's already worked out. We've done this before. So just focusing on the left, if this is an order of operations problem, what step would I do first? I do the multiplication step first. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 minus 3. And what is the value of negative 8 minus 3? Negative 11. Remember, I'm working down the page. And like I said, the right's already worked out for us, so that's good. Are the two sides the same?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm only finished my check when both sides have a single number value, right? So I need to have a single value. That is, they are the same. So yes, I can therefore conclude that w equals 4 is in fact the solution.